Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing a Test Tube Tuesday lesson, a Thoughtful Thursday lesson, and a Standout Story lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday we'll be talking all about density, and one of the things that your kids will get to do is make this diving person who also then returns to the surface. On Thursday, we'll be talking all about hugs, and your kids will get to make a long-distance hug. Of course, then they might want to send it to someone, so we'll also be talking about how to address an envelope. And on Saturday, we'll be talking about the book, How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World, and your kids will get to make their very own Play-doh apple pie. All of the materials required for all of these activities are right below this video, and they're on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.